Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Kim Kardashian filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.46. Contrast to minus 17. Highlights to minus 55. Shadows to plus 33. Whites to minus 32. Blacks to plus 32. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Temp to minus 6. Tint to plus 20. Adjust Vibrance to minus 13. Saturation to plus 26. And then go to Color Mix. First go to Red. Hue to plus 5. Saturation to minus 11. Luminance to minus 20. Next go to Orange. Hue to plus 12. Saturation to plus 10. Luminance to minus 9. Next go to Yellow. Hue to plus 12. Next go to Green. Hue to plus 15. Saturation to minus 26. Luminance to plus 14. Next go to Light Blue. Saturation to minus 26. Next go to dark blue. Adjust saturation to -12. Luminance to -11. Next go to purple. Hue to +3. Saturation to -13. Luminance to -14. Next go to pink. Hue to +23. Saturation to -22. And done. Next go to Effect panel. Clarity to -21. Vignette to +20. Grain to 20. Next go to split toning. Highlights, H to 142, and S to 8. Shadows, H to 161, and S to 10. And done. Next go to Detail. Noise reduction to 21. Color noise reduction to 29. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.